Hey, Richard. So what are we doing right now?
Well, we pulled this out. We kind of rescued it. It was drifted over there.
Way over there in that corner.
Yeah, so we cleaned it out and fixed it up because the handle broke off. But now we're gonna go fishing in it.
That's right. Here, hold it. So I'm bringing you closer to the dock. I got you. Hold right here. Ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna be easy. Oh snap. Let's do reverse.
We're in.
Reverse it. This is easy. Wait, it's stuck.
It is?
Yeah, it's stuck.
Shoot.
All right, technical difficulties. All right, hold it down, put weight on the front. All right, try to move the rudder. Is it moving? Okay, we're good. All right.
You're nice.
This is how I do it. I either take half of a nightcrawler or a full piece. We got the 18 Canadian nightcrawlers. This first time, I'm just gonna take a full piece and put them on the hook. So I like to hook them where there's a little bit of the fat right there. The tissuey part where they stay on the hook a lot better, just like that. I'm just gonna cast this back right here. See if we get a bass. And you'll know because you'll see your line jump. I got a hit.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, he stole my bait. He stole a big piece of my bait. It must have been a panfish. So that happens too. It's okay. We have all this to cover, bro. It's the best. I got a fish on, bro. Oh, I got him. Yep, got him. I was trying to tell you, bro. Come here, buddy. Live nightcrawler.
Is that a bass or?
It's a bass.
Oh.
Oh, what was that?
I thought it was just a panfish.
Oh, definitely a bass.
Oh,
Oh,
wow,
that's
yeah.
a nice one. It's not a bad one.
First fish of the day.
First fish of the day. Live nightcrawler. Straight chomped it. That's how you do it.
Some red gills right there. Good gut.
A little bit of the gut, but it'd be all right. Boom. First fish of the day. Nice little bass. See you later, dude. Is that a hit? I see my line turn.
Yeah, that is a hit.
I'm gonna let him run for a second. Yep.
Bass?
It might be a panfish. Just never know. Just let him run for a second, and I'm gonna hook into him. Yep, that's a bass.
Oh, shoot.
That's a bass.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, that's a big panfish.
What?
Oh my gosh, that's a big
We
panfish.
should use that for catfish.
Oh my gosh, bro. Look at that
Wow.
panfish, bro. That is huge, man. Look at that.
Half the size of the one you caught at Lake Rim.
Dude, let's go. So this is a good flathead bait. We're not gonna use him for that. We're gonna let him live and, you know, reproduce, do whatever he has to do, or she, probably she. But yeah, that was fun. The key is you just gotta cast it lightly, not too much whip on it, or it's gonna break off. Oh, that's a hit. They're out here. They're definitely out here. Yep, running with it. Yep, keep running. Yep.
Ooh.
Oh, he got off.
Yeah.
So let's start cutting half worms, and I'll show you what to do from there, okay?
Yeah.
Get the hook, thread it through the top of where we just cut them, thread it through, and let it sit like that. We might have to go back to the shade, bro. Oh, that's a hit. That's a hit. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh.
Is he underneath us or what? You think he's still on? Oh, yep. Oh, what was that? Is that a bass or what?
Yeah, that's a bass. He went from there to under.
Yeah, he did.
He's moving fast.
Yeah, that's a bass.
He's moving the whole boat.
He is. Oh, barely hooked him, barely hooked him. That's exactly how you want to hook a bass, right there. See, right on the top of the lip.
Oh, wow.
Barely hooked him.
Is that the same one or a different one?
It's a different one.
Does he
Nice
have any
catch.
holes in his...
Nah, it's fresh.
Wow.
Never been hooked before. That's how you catch them, bro.
I just keep...
See you later, dude. Appreciate the fight.